Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the solution of the differential equation this. So, we have this differential equation whose solution which passes through the point this means whose solution is passing through this point. Okay, so why this has given now you can understand. To find out the value of that arbitrary constant, we have to use this idea. So first we have to solve this differential equation, then we will satisfy this point to get the arbitrary constant c. Okay, let's proceed. So we got 1 plus e power minus x 1 plus y square dy by dx. Now look at this, how I will approach this question. So my idea is we will try to segregate x and y because our first filter is to apply variable separable method. So if we can keep y thing together, we can apply, and if we can keep x thing together, we can apply variable separable method. So if you'll observe, you have y thing over here and over here. So we will put them together. So we got 1 plus 1 by e power x, and then we have 1 plus y square by y. Okay, dy by dx equals 1. We have divided both sides by y square. So we got yes. So we got e power x. Okay, yes, plus 1 upon e power x. So y thing to x thing is together. So y power minus 2 plus 1 dy by dx. Now look at this, what I will do. I will now look at this. You have segregated all x together and you have segregated y thing together. So we can assume that we can apply variable separable method. So we will keep y thing one side, x thing on the another side. So we have y power minus 2 plus 1 dy equals e power x dx by 1 plus e power x. Okay, we will apply integration both side. Now we will integrate this function with respect to y. We will integrate this function with respect to x. So we have integration of y to the power minus 2 is y power minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by minus 1, plus integration of 1 is y, and then we have, if you'll observe this thing, you will take this thing as z and you will have e to the power x as dz. Okay, so its integration will become log 1 plus e power x plus integration constant c. You can update this thing as this y minus 1 by y. Okay, so you guys have already found out your differential equation, which look like y minus 1 by y equals log 1 plus e power x plus c. Okay, now look at this. Your curve is passing through 0 comma 1, so it will satisfy, and you know that it will pass through, it will satisfy 0 comma 1, and we will use this idea to find out the value of this arbitrary constant c. So let's use that value. So y is 1, so 1 minus 1 is equal to log 1, and then we have e power 0 is 1 plus c. So this thing gone, So value of c becomes what? It is minus of log 2. Okay, now you can update your curve. So it is, wait a moment, it is y minus 1 by y equals log 1 plus e power x minus log 2. So the required curve is this. I hope the idea is clear. Okay, and you guys can handle similar situation. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.